We are the professional OEM/ODM electric water heater manufacturing factory under CSP Group, with more than 20 years of experience in manufacturing electric water heaters. Our product range covers capacities from 5 liters to 150 liters, including a complete range of vertical and horizontal models. We provide customized solutions according to customers' requirements and can also assist customers in establishing overseas SKD localized assembly and manufacturing. Our factory is equipped with internationally advanced fully automated production lines. All core components are manufactured in-house, ensuring stable quality and reliable performance. We have also established a national-level testing laboratory to guarantee outstanding performance and consistent quality for every production batch. At present, our products are exported to more than 20 countries and regions, including Europe, Russia, Uzbekistan, the United Arab Emirates, Indonesia, Egypt, Mexico, Brazil, Chile, and many others. We sincerely look forward to establishing a long-term win-win cooperation with you.